Hello guys! Gumawa ako ng chicharon. So, tikman ko na to kanina eh. Medyo crunchy na siya. Okay, tikman natin ha. Here we go. First bite. Ayan. May suka, sili, and onion. Ayan. Tikman natin. Up. With onion. Madali lang gumawa to guys. Matrabaho lang. Pero at least homemade chicharon. O, diba? Cup. Yun lang guys. Thank you.